Hello everyone, welcome back to Vidya Setu. So dear students, we were studying chapter 5 seeds and seeds, and in this video we will do some exercise. So let's start the video with some exercise. Question number 1. Fill in the blanks with appropriate words. Means here are some fill in the blanks. These you have to fill with some correct answers seeing from this box. So the question, so the number 1 is eating dash seeds is good for health. So eating which type of seeds is good for health? So eating answer is sprouted seeds is good for health. Number 2, seeds require dash dash and dash to sprout. As I already told you in the video that seeds require what? Air, water and warmth to sprout. Number 3, Velcro. Velcro was discovered by. So answer is Velcro was discovered by George Mistral. Velcro was discovered by George Mistral. Number 4, peas came from. पीस भारत में कहां से आए? सो पीस केम फ्रॉम यूरोप. पीस केम फ्रॉम यूरोप. नंबर 5, सोयाबीन सीड्स आर स्कैटर्ड बाय. मींस जो सोयाबीन के जो सीड्स होते हैं दैट आर स्कैटर्ड बाय डैश ऑफ देयर डैश. सो द आंसर इज सोयाबीन सीड्स आर स्कैटर्ड बाय बस्टिंग. BURSTING. बस्टिंग. बस्टिंग माने होता है एक जल्दी से, मतलब एकदम से फट जाना, तो बस्ट कर जाते हैं. सो द आंसर इज सोयाबीन सीड्स आर स्कैटर्ड बाय बस्टिंग ऑफ देयर व्हाट? पॉट्स. बस्टिंग ऑफ देयर पॉट्स. नंबर 6, टोमेटो, पोटैटो एंड ग्रीन चिली came from where? Means tomato, potato and green chili are not originally found in India. So these tomato, potato and green chili came from South America. Number 7, plant which traps and eats insect. So which plant traps and eats insect? Answer is pitcher plant. Now next one, pitcher plant is found at dash in India. So the pitcher plant is found at where? Meghalaya in India. Number 9, some seeds have lots of tiny what? Which get attached to cloth or fur. So tiny hooks. Where is hooks? This one. Some seeds have lots of tiny hooks which get attached to cloth or fur. And the last one is a green lady finger. लेडी फिंगर मान क्या होता है बच्चों? लेडी फिंगर मीन्स भिंडी. इसी को हम ओकरा भी बोलते हैं. सो द ग्रीन लेडी फिंगर केम फ्रॉम अफ्रीका. वेयर इज अफ्रीका? फ्रॉम अफ्रीका. सो द आंसर इज अफ्रीका. नाउ वी विल सी क्वेश्चन नंबर 2. राइट ट्रू and false for the statements. So here are the statements. Number 1, seeds are of different sizes, shapes and colors. Yes, it is true, क्योंकि जो seeds होते हैं वो different size के होते हैं, shapes के होते हैं और colors के होते हैं. Number 2, some plants grow without seeds. True, some plants grow without seeds also, and some plants germinate from seeds. So the answer is true. Number 3, tomatoes and green chilies came from South America. Yes, this is also true. Number 4, arhar, moong, masoor, rajma are used as spices. Is it correct? No, this is false. Because arhar, moong, masoor and rajma are not spices. These are dals. Yes, very good. Number 5, sprouting time of seeds may vary according to temperature and humidity of the weather. Yes, true. Sprouting time of the seeds can vary according to the temperature and the humidity of the weather. All the seeds do not have the same sprouting time. Some seeds may sprout in 1 day, some in 2 days, depends upon the conditions. Question number 3. Classify the plants according to their place of origin. Means हमको ये जो लिस्ट दी गई है इसमें से हमको इनको क्लासीफाई करना है प्लांट्स को अकॉर्डिंग टू द प्लेस ऑफ ओरिजिन. मीन्स कौन किस जगह पर ओरिजिनेट हुआ था. सो वी हैव टू क्लासीफाई देम. सो इन इंडिया में ओरिजिनली क्या मिलता था. सो इन इंडिया वी फाइंड व्हाट, मेथी एंड स्पिनक. ठीक है, these were originally found in India. These methi and spinach are the birthplace in India, has birthplace in India. Number 2 is Europe. So answer is cabbage and peas has their place of origin where? Europe. Number 3, Africa. In Africa, coffee and ladyfinger. Answer is coffee and ladyfinger has their place of origin where? In Africa. So the answer is coffee and ladyfinger. And the last one is South America. So we have seen in the fill in the blanks also. South America we found what? The place of origin is potato, tomato and green chilies has their place of origin where? South America. And these came to India from where? From South America. So the answer is potato, tomato and green chilies. These have their place of origin in South America. Now we will see question number 4. Give an example for each of the following categories. We have to give one example for these following categories. Number 1 is seeds used as spice. So give an example of a seed which you used as a spice. So the answer is cumin. C-U-M-I-N. Cumin. C-U-M-I-N. Hindi we say jeera. Now number 2, seeds used as food grains. So the answer is rice. Rice we use as a food grain, and this is also in the form of a seed. R-I-C-E. rice. Rice माने होता है चावल. Now number 3, seeds used as pulses. There are many pulses. You can write any one of your choice, like moong dal, arhar dal, masoor dal, etc. Number 4, seeds that scatter by water. Seeds that scatter by water. ऐसा seeds जो scatter होता है किसके थ्रू? Water के थ्रू. So the answer is coconut. Coconut seed scatter by water. Spelling is C-O coco and nut, N-U-T, coconut. Now number 5, seeds that scatter by wind. The answer is dandelion. Dandelion seeds scattered by winds. Spelling is D-A-N-D-E-L-I-O-N, dandelion. Now we will see question number 5. Give reasons. Here are 2 questions, question number 1 and 2. For this you have to give some reasons. So the question number 1 is under 5 is seeds kept in airtight container do not sprout. Airtight container. What is airtight container? In airtight container air cannot go inside from outside. Means जो airtight container होते हैं उसमें बाहर से जो है हवा अंदर नहीं जा सकती. तो अगर हम किसी सीड्स को एयर टाइट कंटेनर में रख देंगे तो क्या वो स्प्राउट होगा? आंसर इज नहीं होगा. क्यों? क्योंकि स्प्राउटिंग के लिए हमें 3 चीजों की बहुत ज्यादा आवश्यकता होती है. देयर आर मेनली 3 फैक्टर्स दैट आर नीडेड फॉर स्प्राउटिंग. and these three factors are air, second one is water, and the third one is warmth, means garmi. So the answer is seeds kept in airtight container do not sprout because there was no air, वहां पे हवा नहीं होगी, which is required for germination. Now question number 2, seeds kept in refrigerator do not sprout. अगर हम किसी सीड्स को रेफ्रिजरेटर में रख देंगे तो वो स्प्राउट नहीं करेगा. क्यों नहीं करेगा? Because for sprouting the third most important condition is warmth, means गर्मी. But in refrigerator में क्या होता है? The temperature is very low. It is cold in refrigerator, due to which seeds do not sprout. So the answer is seeds kept in refrigerator do not sprout because of very low temperature. Seeds do not sprout as warmth, means गर्मी, is required for germination. Okay बच्चों. Now next question. Perform the activity on page 43 in your book and answer the following. This also you have to write down in your copy. This I have explained in the video number 1. Those who have not seen that, see that, and after that you do this by yourself. Question is observe after 2 days and note the changes in the bowls. हमने जो बाउल्स में पानी रखा था और उसमें जो हमने अपने ग्राम्स को डाला था स्प्राउटिंग के लिए, उसमें 3 कंडीशंस थी. पहले बाउल में हमने क्या किया था? 5 ग्राम्स डाले थे और उसमें पानी भर दिया था. दूसरे में हमने कॉटन रखी थी और क्या किया था? उसमें थोड़ा सा वाटर डाला था. और तीसरे में हमने क्या किया था कि उसको ऐसे ही हमने बिना पानी डाले छोड़ दिया था. और मैंने इसका एक्सप्लेनेशन भी वहां पर दिया था और इसके आंसर भी दिए थे. ठीक है, तो दिस यू हैव टू डू बाय योरसेल्फ. दोज students, those who have not seen the video, go and see that, and after that do this in your copy. Now in the last I am leaving you with some questions. The question number 1 is what are the conditions a seed need to sprout. Question number 2 is write any 2 seeds that you eat. पहला क्वेश्चन है कि स्प्राउटिंग के लिए क्या क्या कंडीशन होती हैं सीड्स के लिए. क्वेश्चन नंबर 2 is that you have to write any name of the 2 seeds that you eat. Question number 3 is why did Gopal's mother tied the chana in a damp cloth. गोपाल की मामा ने चना को डैम्प क्लॉथ मीन्स गीले कपड़े में क्यों बांध कर रखा था. नंबर 4 is name 4 agents of seed dispersal. And the question number 5 is name any 4 things that are soaked before cooking. So I am leaving you with these 5 questions. Just think but don't write in the copy. In the next video I will give the answer of these questions and we will do some लॉन्ग आंसर क्वेश्चंस आल्सो. बट प्यारे बच्चों, आप चाहें तो इसको रफ में लिख सकते हैं, उसके बाद मैच कर सकते हैं कि कितने बच्चों ने सही में जो लिखा था वो सही है कि नहीं है. ठीक है, यू हैव टू थिंक एंड राइट, एंड इन द नेक्स्ट वीडियो आई विल गिव द आंसर ऑफ दीज क्वेश्चंस. So here is the end of the video. You have to write down these exercise in your copy and you have to send the snapshots in the WhatsApp homework group. So that's all for today. Have a good day.